I feel so lucky to have experienced Mount Tamborine. This is a beautiful national park in the Gold Coast in Australia. And in this national forest, there is a waterfall, which was so beautiful to experience. Let me show you what my experience was like of Mount Tamborine. So the drive took about 30 minutes from Upper Coomera, which is really close to Hope Island. That's where I'm currently staying. And the drive was so picturesque with the mountains and the trees, and it was a beautiful blue sky. So sunny, and the best day to go to Mount Tamborine. It's quite shaded there. I thought Tamborine Town looked really cute. I liked looking at all the little houses. But this is all of the information about the national park. It has eucalyptic trees and palms, and it's quite a short hike, only about 30 minutes to the waterfall. So it's very easy for children and all fitness levels. There were so many amazing big trees, all different shapes and sizes, beautiful wildlife and different species of birds. We managed to see a wallaby, a really small one, just hopping around in the forest. So that was really special. I find it so relaxing going to national parks and going for hikes. It is always so peaceful to me. It was so amazing to see so many different species of flowers and plants. I would love to have all of these plants in my house or in my garden and make a tropical rainforest in my garden. I think it would look lovely. We got to the rainforest around 7:30. This was a good time to come because there are less crowds. I would probably recommend to come earlier than this so that there aren't any people. But there were only about 5 or 6 people at this time, so it was a good time to come. Beautiful cactus waterfalls. We're almost there. There are actually 190 species of bird in this forest, so that is really interesting to know. We made it to the stream, so we knew that we were close to the waterfall, and it was so amazing to see the waterfall. It's my first time experiencing an Australian waterfall, and I thought it was so beautiful. There has been quite a bit of rain at the moment in the Gold Coast because it's the summer, so it is the raining season. So it was quite muddy here, so I definitely needed to wear my hiking trainers. I thought Mount Tamborine was definitely worth the visit, and there are botanical gardens that you can go and visit too. The views on the way to Mount Tamborine was so beautiful, as well as on the way home, so it was so lovely to watch the views from the car.